Okay, so this is going to be a quick little tutorial to show how I do this hair wrap that I use pretty much every time I'm getting ready. I personally use it mostly when I'm doing my makeup, so once I've done my hair, I put my hair up in this wrap and then I have my hair all out of my face to be able to do my makeup, whatever other stuff I need to do to get ready. Please do feel free to skip to this timestamp to get right to it. So to do this, literally all you'll need is a square of satin or silk, whatever you prefer. I just have a square of satin that I got from Etsy years ago, but it's been working great for me. It's quite big. I'll have the measurements on screen right now in case you're curious the size. So step one, if you have these two corners here, you want to grab, for example, this one and the one directly diagonal from it, which is right down here. So once you grab them, it will kind of naturally make this triangle shape. You want to keep it in this shape. So with this shape you've created, you just want to flip your head and your hair over. Then take this shape just as we have it here and just place it over your head. So for me, while holding these two parts with one hand, I take the other hand and I kind of scoop my hair this way. Now you see the triangle comes to a point right here, so I'm going to grab that and kind of pull it forward a bit. As you can see, this is quite low on the back of my neck right now. So I'm just pulling this piece forward to make this bit higher so it just stops at the nape of my neck. Next we're going to take these two bits here and just going to twist them. Just twist them a lot. Both sides. It doesn't really matter what direction you do it in, I don't think. I kind of stop when it gets to about here, but again, it doesn't have to be perfect. At this point, my hair is getting a little into my face, so we're just going to do that scooping method again, going towards the tip of this triangle as much as possible. So when you're done with these two bits, we're just going to bend over so the hair isn't in the way and cross them over your forehead. So you just cross them over like that, and then with these two ends, we're just going to make sure they're a little more twisted. And then tie them at the back here, just in a double knot. Then you'll be left with something like this. What we're going to do is just take that point again of the triangle, and in one swift motion, we're just going to stuff the hair up into the top, and just try to make sure it doesn't fall out, get any little bits that are stuck. It can sometimes help to just give this a little shake, just to get the hair nice and in there. Just like this. And then with this piece, we're just going to twist it as little or as much as you would like to, just to close this area up. And then taking this little point and tucking it under this band right here. Just like that. Now, if you have a bigger piece of material than me, this piece might need to be wrapped around and up and under. And there we have it, a very nice little easy way to keep your curls or whatever hair texture you have nice and protected. So when you're done, it should look something like this. Mine comes out different every single time, so if it doesn't look exactly like this, don't worry, you've probably still done it right. And when you're done with this, literally all you do is undo this knot here and just let go of everything and it will unravel itself. Please do let me know in the comments how you got on with this, or if you have any other questions. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.